Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, and on my right, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop. One promises to clean your floors, while the other claims to work magic. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The S3501 is priced at $89, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, especially for cleaning bamboo floors without streaks. Meanwhile, the S5003D comes in at $129, and while some users find it worth the investment due to its extra features, others question if the added cost is justified when the basic model does a great job. Now, let's get steamy. The S3501 heats up in just 30 seconds and effectively cleans with superheated steam. Reviewers love how quickly it dries floors and its ease of use. In contrast, the S5003D has a slightly larger tank and offers intelligent steam control, which some users find beneficial for tackling stubborn stains. However, its performance is often compared to the S3501, as some feel both are effective in their own right. Both mops are designed for sealed hard floors. The S3501 features a soft grip handle for comfortable use, which many reviewers appreciate. On the other hand, the S5003D boasts touch-free technology for changing pads without direct contact. This feature has garnered positive feedback from users who dislike touching dirty pads, but some find it a bit complicated to use at first. Let's look at the cleaning pads. The S3501 comes with two washable microfiber pads, which users love for their reusability and effectiveness. The S5003D, however, has double-sided dirt grip pads, making it a 2-for-1 deal. But be warned, if you're prone to forgetting laundry, the S3501 might be the better choice as its pads are more straightforward to manage. Now, special features. The S3501 is all about simplicity with no chemicals, just steam. Reviewers highlight its straightforward operation. The S5003D, however, includes steam blaster technology, which some users find great for tough stains. The additional features are seen as beneficial by many, but others feel they add unnecessary complexity. Overall, both mops have garnered positive feedback from users. The Shark S3501 is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, while the S5003D is celebrated for its advanced features and cleaning capabilities. However, some users are skeptical about whether the extra cost of the S5003D is justified given the performance of the S3501. So which mop should you buy? If you want a solid, reliable cleaning companion that won't break the bank or your back, the S3501 is your best bet. But if you're feeling fancy and ready to splurge for some intelligent features, the S5003D might just mop the floor with the competition. Either way, your floors will thank you. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know which mop you choose and why. Product links are in the description.